So hello, I actually live in Triala, and I'm gonna show you something. I actually buy this from McDonald's, this Minion, and I'm actually grade 1 now, not kinder yellow anymore. And this is our pet cat, my enemy. See that cat? That's my enemy. I hate cats, for real. And my pet duck called Pinky, the huge one, is actually dead now. And I actually have a small 2 pet ducks.